guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm gonna make some kiwi drink. So it's a golden kiwi, guys. So I'm gonna use my knife today. Normally use the peeler, but we're gonna peel our golden kiwi and we're gonna use some pineapple, ginger and cantaloupe. So guys, I have this pineapple for a few days and I wasn't sure if it was good, so I've just sliced it off camera to look to see if it was still good. If not, I would have to go out and buy one. So let's get into the peeling of the kiwis. And I'm not gonna let this video long and drawn out because I don't like to do videos that are extremely long. I just want to get to the point. So guys, everybody know that kiwi is good for our bodies. And kiwis are rich in vitamin C. Help with constipation, guys. Help with premature aging of the skin and much more. Don't hesitate to add this to your diet, guys. It's very nice. I love the golden kiwi. Not that I don't really use the green one, but when I come across the golden one, I've been using it. It's so sweet. So guys, this is the pineapple that I've cut down before off camera. So I wanted to, because it looks so extra ripe, I wash it, it looks so extra ripe on the outside. I just didn't want to cut it on camera and then get disappointed, and then that will slow up the video, slow up everything. So I make sure I cut it and see. So now this is only the middle of it that's a bit brown, but it's good. So because I've already opened it, cut it in two, I'm just going to use a small knife and peel the skin off. And of course, you know, I'm not going to throw away my skin. I use my skin to make pineapple drink. So however, wow, you can see that this one, this part here, had a little bit of spoilage right there. So we're gonna take it out and we're gonna use it. We're not gonna throw away anything, throw away the whole entire thing. And this is just the pineapple, you know, that little part that they take out, that is just that, it's not anything spoiling on that part. So let's do the same thing with this. Cut the core out. Cut out any part that is getting bad. Throw away these. Because guys, we can't waste anything these last days. So the skins I will put in a pot, make some tea, and let me just cut this lime, cut the lime, the end of the lime, and then just peel it off with a small knife, because you know lime is good. It helps us with hydration of the body. So guys, as for the ginger, I'm just gonna cut up this small piece, and I've washed it already, guys. That's the first thing I did this morning when I get up, but then I got a phone call and I had to stop, leave them on the counter and attended to the call. So normally I would have a little water on the fruits, but they were all dried up when I come back to do my video. And guys, you know pineapple has bromelain, and it is an anti-inflammatory property. And pineapple helps with bloating and helps to destroy free radicals. So now we're gonna go and cut our cantaloupes, and we're gonna just go down like this. And the seeds, guys, I have a video coming up. I'm gonna do a short video with the seeds. Seeds are good to use. So I'm not gonna throw away these seeds. I'm gonna do a short video, so look out for that short video, guys. And guys, you know what cantaloupe does to the body. It helps with the lowering of blood pressure, and it has a lot of, it boosts your energy. So this drink will be loaded with a lot of benefit, guys. I'm going a bit fast. I don't like to just doing a video and take forever to peel everything. No, that's not me. And guys, you know what? I have some golden beet in the fridge. I think I'm gonna add them to it. So let me cut the video and just go get them out and wash them and come back. So guys, there is the golden beet, and this is another one. So I'm gonna peel this one. I did that one off camera. I'm gonna peel this one quickly. I'm a little bit hoarse, so guys, bear with my voice. So that's the golden beet, guys. So we'll be having this to our drink. guys, there you have it. We are gonna start preparing our drink now. So I'm gonna take some things away, wash them up, and then I'll start the drink. So guys, let's start the juicing. Guys, we're gonna start putting our golden beets in, and we're gonna turn on our juice. So guys, let's start by putting in the golden beet, and we're gonna put some cantaloupes in. And guys, as you can see, everything is mixing in the mixing bowl and incorporating together. So let's keep going, guys. I'm gonna put a golden kiwi in. So guys, the mixing bowl is full, so now we are coming up to the serving or the letting out of the drink. So let's get into that. Guys, we're gonna let out our first batch of juice. There you have it, guys. Cantaloupe, watermelon, lime, golden kiwi, ginger. And we're gonna go again, guys, for the next batch. So we're gonna start by doing the same thing, putting some pineapple, some cantaloupe, and a bit of ginger, and 1 kiwi. And we're gonna start the juicer again. So we're gonna turn the juicer on. So guys, as you see, the mixing bowl is start to accumulate drinks again. So let's keep going, guys. This is good for your skin, this drink. Your eyes will thank you for this drink. And it's just an overall drink. Look at the kiwi seeds and the kiwi trash coming out, guys. And you don't have to throw away these trash. You can use them to make smoothie. You can store them in the freezer and use them. So guys, I find this juicer very handy, which is the Cuvin River 830. They have a Cuvin Auto 10. I think I'm gonna invest in one of those, but I'll keep using this one now. So as you can see, everything is being crushed. Look how nicely it's making the drink smooth and nice. And guys, this juicer have a lot of attachment. You can make smoothies and sorbet with it. So guys, let's keep going. Look how beautiful the drinks look. Wow. So now we are coming to the second batch of drink, guys. Guys, we're gonna let out our second batch of juice. There we go. That is it, guys. So I'm gonna turn my juicer on and pump out the rest of juice. So guys, this juicer is made in Korea, South Korea. And guys, Cuvin is a leading kitchen appliance brand loved by health conscious people throughout over 90 countries. So guys, our second batch of drink is been made, and I can't help but show you how this machine crushes and squeezes the juice from the fruit. So guys, with all that left inside of the juicer, I'm gonna let this little small amount out. That's it, guys. So guys, I'm gonna place my glass down. I just wash these drinking glass. One dry, one didn't dry, so let me dry Hope you all can see what's happening. So here is our drink. So guys, I really don't want my drink to spill. So I'm gonna use just a little funnel to pour it in. So let's put in the other one. It's a bit easier for me with the funnel. So guys, there you have it. That's the drink, and I'm gonna decorate it with a kiwi. The golden kiwi, guys. See how juicy it is. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Have a lovely weekend, guys. That is our cantaloupe, ginger, golden beet, pineapple, and lime, guys. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more. Hope you all will try this drink. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.